In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Grok conversations as a PDF file. By the end, you'll have a clean, portable copy of your chat that's easy to store, share, or print for reports and documentation. First, let's get to Grok. Open your preferred browser and search for Grok AI. In the results, click the official Grok link to head to grok.com. This ensures you're on the right site and using the latest interface. Once you're in, open the specific chat you want to export. Take a moment to scroll through the thread and confirm it has exactly what you need. If the conversation includes any sensitive details, consider removing or redacting them before exporting, since PDFs are often shared and can stick around on devices or cloud storage. It's a good habit to capture only what's necessary. Now move to the bottom of the chat window. Look for a small three-dot icon, often called More or the Overflow menu. Click that to reveal additional actions. If your window is narrow or you're on mobile, the three dots may appear near the message box or to the right of the last message. Expanding the window or rotating your device can make it easier to spot. If you don't see it immediately, hover your mouse around the bottom right area of the chat to surface hidden controls. From that menu, select Export to PDF. Grok will compile the conversation and generate a download. Depending on your browser settings, the file may save automatically to your Downloads folder, or you might be prompted to choose a location. Watch for a download indicator so you know when it finishes. Larger chats can take a bit longer, so give it a moment to process. After the file saves, open the PDF and review it. Check that messages appear in order, timestamps and names display correctly, and any long answers or code blocks are fully captured. If something appears truncated, return to the chat, scroll up to load more of the history, then export again so the full context is included. A few quick tips to stay organized. Rename the file with a clear descriptive title, something like topic conversation date, so you can find it later. Store it in a secure folder, and if you plan to share it, review it one more time to ensure no private information remains. If the PDF looks dark due to a dark theme, toggling to a light theme before exporting can improve readability. That's all there is to it. Search for Grok, open the chat you need, click the three dots at the bottom, and choose Export to PDF. Happy exporting!